Introducing Whole Office Protection. You depend on your business, and your business depends on you and your tech. For making orders, completing sales, and getting work done. When breakdowns and malfunctions happen, it can feel like business stops. Whole Office Protection from Verizon helps you keep working on what's important to you quickly, with repairs where available, replacements, and reimbursements for eligible office tech. There's no need for receipts or product registrations. Plus, you have access to live tech support whenever you need it, as well as low-cost workplace tech installations. And you can share office tech protection with a second workplace of your choice, even a home office with an eligible business address at no additional cost. We make things simple with next-day shipping, simple drop-offs at the UPS store, and fast digital payouts. With Whole Office Protection, any eligible office tech you already own or purchase will be covered for just $55 a month, giving you one fewer thing to worry about. It's protection for every business, no matter where you work.